Hello Pythonistas, welcome to Pythonista Geek channel. So today we are going to see in problem set 0 Einstein. Okay, in a file called as einstein.py, implement a Python program that prompts the user for the mass of an integer in kilograms and then outputs the equivalent number of joules as an integer, assuming the user will input only an integer. Okay, so what is the formula we can see? So they have said you E is equal to mc square. M is nothing but a mass. So that we are getting from the user, and C is nothing but approximately they have given seconds. So we can just use meters per seconds. So we can just use this formula, and I think in the hints they have given recall the input function we already know. Then input function by default will make only string. So we need to explicitly convert the string into an integer, and then there are many built-in functions. Yeah, we can just try to use them. So yeah, let us get started. So first, as usual, we can write mkdir space. So what is the program name they have given? Einstein. 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 Then cd space Einstein. Okay, now code sorry .py. Okay, we have created a file. Now what we are going to do is, first we can get the input from the user, which is nothing but a mass. Mass is equal to input. I am going to ask for mass. Okay, so this input will return a string, so we need to convert it into an integer. So I'll just prefix it with int so that it will be automatically converted into an integer. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to implement a formula which is nothing but E is equal to m, we already have m into c. C is nothing but this particular thing, as we all can see. Wait, so I'll just copy and paste it so that I will not be missing any zeros. Okay, c square. So first we need to make the square operation. The operator for squaring is double star and then power 2. So this will make something to the power of 2. So first we need to do this particular operation. So I will put this into brackets. So first c square will happen. After that we are going to multiply with the mass. Okay. So let us just try to print RE, and I think that's it. It's quite simple, I guess. Okay. Okay, in our demo, if you can see, they have asked for m is equal to and then e is equal to. Can you see m is equal to 50, then e and then colon, like that we need. So I will just write here as in our print statement, inside brackets capital letter E, then comma. Yeah, so I think this will be useful and helpful. Let us run the program. Python einstein.py mass. Okay, maybe 3. Yeah, we are getting an output. Let us check with the sample outputs. Okay, 1, 14 and 50. Let us check. 1, yeah, something 9 and zeros. Perfect. Then 14, 126 and then some zeros. Perfect. Then 50. Perfect. Everything is working fine. Let us check with all the use case scenarios which can be available in a check. So here we have learned how to convert a string into an integer and also some of the basic operators and their precedence. Yeah, everything is fine. We got all the green smileys. Now let us submit. Perfect, yes. Yeah, we can check whether everything is going correct in our grade book. Yeah, okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.